I remember fondly the first time we were here. It was a little more than 7 years ago now that we visited here for the very first time, and we were here for an incredibly special occasion. We'll call it a history-making occasion, which was to witness the very first trade of a share of Liberty at that time. And it was exciting to stand on the floor and watch the market makers do their work, and ultimately, maybe an hour or so into the market, see that very first transaction take place. We didn't know what the future would hold when we became a public company, and of course since then we've been through the highest of highs and we have been through the lowest of lows. And I want to focus on one specific event, one opportunity that came during COVID. We had the opportunity to buy the North American frac and wireline business of Schlumberger. And of course, we had a strong balance sheet at the time, but we had very little income. In fact, for a short period of time there, we had no income. But we were able to complete that transaction because we had a currency that was as good as cash. We had our public shares, and that enabled us the opportunity to take a transformative step at Liberty to bring that business on board. We acquired through that, of course, a much expanded footprint, a wireline business, 2 state-of-the-art sand mines, a fantastic technology partnership, and certainly, maybe most importantly of all, a tremendous group of people, a few of whom are here today to share this experience with us. Had we not been a public company, it's very likely that transaction would not have happened. I don't know how we would have accomplished that without the currency we have being a part of the NYSE. And so we're incredibly grateful for that step that we took and the partnership that we have. And now we carry on that opportunity. Through the Bettering Human Lives Foundation we started last year, we are now doing that same thing. We are enabling entrepreneurs in Ghana and in Kenya access to the important capital that allows them to take that next step in their business, to grow their business in a transformative way, ultimately allowing more people access to clean cooking fuel and changing their lives arguably forever. That is something to be celebrated. And so I say today, thank you to all of you for being here. Thank you to the NYSE for the partnership over the last 7 years, and I look forward to many more years to come. And to everybody out there, thank you for what you do every day. I appreciate it.